Today I'm going to show you how to grow begonias. When it comes to summer bedding plants, begonias are a real winner. They have lovely bright blooms which just keep on coming all summer long. They're fantastic in pots or hanging baskets, and they look great on the patio or hanging either side of the front door, where the flowers can really be seen and appreciated close up. The best way to grow them is from corms, and you plant them in spring. And this is how they look. Begonia corms have a concave side and a convex side. The convex side is the side with the roots, and that will be facing downwards in the soil. And the concave side has little shoots coming out of the top. And you may see these buds already when they arrive. And these are what will become the plants. So you plant those facing upwards. Now to start, I've got my pot, and I've chosen one which has a drainage hole in the bottom because you don't want the compost to sit in the bottom and become stagnant. I'm just going to add a layer of gravel to the bottom to aid drainage. Just about an inch is enough. And then I will fill this up to about this, almost to the top, with a good quality multi-purpose compost. As you put the compost in the pot, it's a good idea to just crumble it up with your hands to get rid of any lumps. Okay, and firm it down a little bit as you go. Okay, a little bit more. There, that's almost to the top, so I'm just going to make a slight dip in the compost for my corm to sit on. In a pot this size, one of these big corms will be plenty. Just sit that in the hole and cover it over with about an inch of compost. And that's all we have to do for now. In a few months' time they'll start to grow, and you can put them outside after risk of frost has passed, and they'll flower all summer long. In the autumn, before the first frost hits, take them. You can cut off the foliage, take the corm out of the pot, shake off any excess soil, and just store it in a light, frost-free, airy place. And in the following spring, you can plant it back outside again and use it again, which is what's really great about begonias. I really hope you've enjoyed this video on growing begonias, and good luck with your own. I'm sure they'll be fantastic.